Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today to show you the state of the filters that we had installed in our whole house water filtration system that I installed in September 2023. I'll put a link to that video in the description. So you can see here from left to right, which is the direction the water passes through these filters. We've got the sediment filter there, the 1 micron coconut carbon block filter followed by the 0.5 micron coconut carbon block filter. When I removed this one, the water that drained out of it was brown. It was pretty disgusting, so I guess it's done its job, which was good. The center filter here, the second filter that the water passes through, this filter is pretty dirty all the way around. So again, did its job, which is great. And then the third filter, which looks from the exterior at least to be pretty clean. So I should have changed these after a year, September 2024. It's now February 2025, so they were in longer than they should have been. But yeah, we've now got nice new clean filters fitted. But I just wanted to show you the state of these filters after about 18 months of filtering town water on the Central Coast New South Wales. We don't drink any water out of the taps, even with the filtration system installed. We have a Berkey kitchen benchtop system, so we just refill that and it filters the drinking water for us. So by the time we're drinking that water, it's very well filtered. But yeah, I would not be, the fact that the water that came out of this was just brown means that without any filtration system whatsoever, that's what you're effectively ingesting. Right, I'll leave it there. Any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.